In Salesforce, an object is a collection of data that is used to store and manage information. The case is a specific type of object that is used to track and manage customer support issues, such as service requests, technical problems, and billing inquiries. So, what information is stored in the case object? Some common data points that are tracked include the case's subject, priority level, status, and the customer or account it is associated with. Additional fields can be added and customized to meet the specific needs of a business. The case object is a key part of the Salesforce platform and is used by customer service teams to track and manage customer support issues. It allows businesses to store and access important information about support cases in one central location and track their progress towards resolution. In addition to tracking cases, the case object can also be used to store information about the customer's interactions with the business, such as phone calls, emails, and meetings. This can help customer service teams better understand their customers' needs and preferences and identify opportunities for improvement. Overall, the case object is a powerful tool for businesses looking to improve their customer service. By tracking and managing cases in Salesforce, businesses can get a better understanding of their customers' needs and make informed decisions about their customer service strategy. If you want to understand more about customer information, check out our video on the account object. We hope this has helped you understand the role of the case object in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe so that you can stay up to date with the latest videos.